Hey, let me ask you something. If you answered the landfill, then you're partially right. But trash can and does end up almost everywhere, including our beaches, oceans, and waterways. You can Google the Great Pacific Garbage Patch to find out more information on the problem with plastic in our oceans. This is one of the reasons that I like to use recycled materials and trash in my craft projects. You probably already know this, but you can make all sorts of things from plastic materials, especially plastic bags. Like a pot to grow your plants in. You can make framed art from Cheetos bags, and Halloween costumes from old newspaper plastic bags, cute totes, and even holiday decorations. I'm sharing this quick video to show you a few of the things you can make with recycled plastic to avoid throwing it away. But I'm also sharing this video because I've been invited to be part of a team challenge called TEAMSEAS. I don't know if you've heard of the YouTuber Mr. Beast, but he's one of the biggest YouTubers on YouTube. And he and some other YouTubers are putting together an effort to clean 30 million tons of garbage out of the ocean. And they're trying to raise $30 million to do that. They're partnering with Ocean Conservancy and the Ocean Cleanup, and 100% of the proceeds will go to these two groups to help clean up the beaches, the rivers, and the oceans. And they're promising that for every dollar donated, they will remove a pound of garbage from the ocean. So if you'd like more information, I'll put all of the links in the description box of this video, but I hope you'll join me in trying to clean up the oceans by going to TEAMSEAS.org to make your donation today. If you're interested in making some plastic projects, you can check the playlist out here, and also a great art installation made completely from trash in the video below.